हेलो गुड मॉर्निंग। पिछली बार वीडियो लेक्चर 6 में लाइट की प्रॉब्लम की वजह से 2-3 न्यूमेरिकल सही से रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाए थे, इसलिए मैं इसको वहीं से कंटिन्यू कर रही हूँ। एग्जाम्पल 7 में हमने ये सिस्टम है, 3 रिंग सिस्टम है, बेस वैल्यू होमोएनिलिडाइन, यहाँ पर दोनों है लेकिन होमोएनिलिडाइन की वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है, इसलिए बेस वैल्यू की लेंगे। बेस वैल्यू फॉर होमोएनिलिडाइन सिस्टम इज 253 नैनोमीटर। alkyl group and ring residue, alkyl group ring residue here 1 2 और 3 मल्टीप्लाई विद 5 15 नैनोमीटर। ऑक्सोक्रोम यहाँ पर साइलेंट alkyl ग्रुप है, S alkyl ग्रुप, S मिथाइल ग्रुप प्लस 30 नैनोमीटर। एक्सोसाइक्लिक डबल बॉन्ड प्लस 5 नैनोमीटर। एक्सटेंडिंग कॉन्जुगेटेड डबल बॉन्ड प्लस 30 nanometer. So calculated lambda max value will be 333 nanometer. Example 8. In example 8, base value for acyclic conjugated diene system. It is a bicyclic thing, but it will be considered as a acyclic conjugated diene system. 217 nanometer. Ring residue 2 multiplied with 5 10 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond, it is here this double bond and this one, both are exocyclic. This one exocyclic. So 2 multiplied with 5 10 nanometer. Here bicyclic ring is given, so bicyclic ring strain correction plus 15 nanometer. So calculated lambda max value will be 252 nanometer. Next example. It is again here. It is again homoannular diene system. So homoannular base value for homoannular diene system, it is 253 nanometer, right? Then exocyclic, there is no exocyclic double bond. Extended conjugated double bond, extending conjugated double bond plus 30 nanometer, this one. Then ring residue and oxochrome. This is your oxochrome ring residue. Ring residue one is this, right? Here this one, 2, 3, 4. So 4 multiplied with 5, 20. Here 3 are ring residue and one is iodine group is attached to this, but it also having value 5 nanometer. So this there is no isocyclic extended conjugated double bond in that. This is 3, 3, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10. So this is example 9. Let's see one more example. In certain example, this is right. Base value for heteroannular. Bank system, it is 240 nanometer. Right. Now, ring residue bonds. This is the oxochrome 2 and 3. Ring residue 3 multiplied with 5, 15 nanometer. Oxochrome that is NR2 plus 16 nanometer. Right? This double bond is exocyclic. This exocyclic double bond. Right? A and B. So this double bond, this ring double bond is exocyclic for ring A. So exocyclic double bond plus 5. Lambda max value calculated. Sum of all these values 9 and 5 14. One carry 3 and 6 9 and 294. So this is the way to calculate lambda max value of given compound theoretically. Next system is alpha beta unsaturated heat. Video lecture 7. For enones. Enones means alpha beta unsaturated ketone or aldehyde. This rule is given by Fischer and Scott. Right? It is given by Fischer and Scott. According to this rule, alpha beta unsaturated ketone base value for alpha beta unsaturated ketone acyclic, its value is 250 nanometer. base value for alpha beta unsaturated 6-membered ring, again 15 nanometer. But if it is 5-membered ring, alpha beta unsaturated 5-membered ring, then its value is slightly lower, 202 nanometer. Base value for alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde, it is 207 nanometer. Here, increments for extending conjugate double bond, increments for extending conjugated double bond, it is the same value, like diene system, plus 30 nanometer. Exocyclic double bond, plus 5 nanometer. Here, alpha position, alkyl group or ring residue having plus 10 nanometer, beta position plus 12 nanometer, gamma position plus 18 nanometer, delta plus 18 nanometer. Oxochrome also give at certain values of oxochrome. Oxochrome, like the hydroxy group, if it is on alpha position, then its value is plus 35, beta position plus 30, like that. I had already given in lecture 5 values for all this titration. Let's see example.